What if I told you that some of the highest paying remote jobs right now don't require a degree, don't require a traditional resume, and don't even require you to have an office? Web3 is creating thousands of new job roles every year, and most people don't even know they exist. In this video, I will break down the most in-demand Web3 jobs available right now, and what they pay, what skills you need, and how you can start for yourself, even if you're a complete beginner. Stay to the end of this video because I will show you where you can actually find these jobs. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about what is Web3. Before we talk about the jobs, let's quickly understand what Web3 actually is. Web3 is the next evolution of the internet built on blockchain technology. Instead of centralized companies controlling platform, Web3 runs on a decentralized network. Think of projects like Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon. They are ecosystems where developers build decentralized apps, NFT, crypto exchange, gaming platforms, and more. And here is the important part. Every ecosystem needs people. Not just developers, designers, writers, community managers, marketers, and analysts. Web3 isn't just coding, it is an entire digital economy. Now let's break down the actual jobs. The first, we're going to talk about the Web3 developer roles. These are roles that mainly you need a high-end certificate and skills and knowledge before you can apply or work for these roles. 1. The blockchain developer. This is one of the highest paying roles in the Web3 space. Blockchain developers build smart contracts and decentralized applications. They often work with languages like Solidity and Rust. Smart contracts run mostly on platforms like Ethereum and Solana, and their average salary ranges from $80,000 to $180,000 per year, depending on your experience. If you enjoy coding and problem solving, this is a premium career path. The second on the list is smart contract auditor. These are security experts who review blockchain codes to find vulnerability, because one small bug can lead to $1 million in losses. Auditors are highly paid. Some projects even hire freelance auditors per contract review. Front-end Web3 developers. This role connects blockchain functionalities to user-friendly websites. You obtain traditional web development like React with Web3 libraries like web3.js or ether.js. This role is perfect if you already know web development but want to translate into the crypto. Now let's delve into the non-techie aspect of the Web3 jobs, which is these are jobs that you don't need to be a tech savvy or have premium skill to operate. Because here is where it gets really interesting, because you don't need code to work in this aspect of Web3. So the first on our list is a community manager. Every crypto project has Discord and Telegram communities. Someone needs to manage conversations, answer questions, and moderate chats, and to keep the members engaged. Many NFT and DeFi projects hire remote community managers full-time, and their salary ranges from $2,000 to $6,000 per month. The next on the list is a social media manager. Crypto project relies heavily on X, formerly known as Twitter, YouTube, and Telegram for growth. If you know how to create engaging content trends, memes, and announcements, this is a serious opportunity for you. The next on the list is a Web3 content writer. White papers, blog posts, Twitter trends, and newsletters breakdown. Crypto projects constantly need content that explain complex ideas in simple languages. If you can research, write clearly, this role is gold. Now we are going into the more creative aspect of the Web3 jobs. This is the space where you have to be creative before you can apply for jobs over in these categories. So if you are a graphic designer and you enjoy what you do and you think you can, you want to move your ideas from the normal aspect of graphic design to the Web3 aspect, then this offers what you need to know and what you need to work on. So the first offer is an NFT artist. Artists create collections for NFT marketplace. Some uses platforms like OpenSea and Blur to sell digital art. Many NFT projects hires designers to create avatars, traits, branding assets, and promotional graphics. The next is Web3 graphic designer. Crypto projects needs logo, pitch decks, token launch banners, website UI graphics, and banner kits. If you are already a designer or you design for clients, this is a powerful niche for you to dive into. Then the next on our list is the UI/UX designers for decentralized apps. Decentralized apps needs intuitive interface. Good designs is rare in crypto, which means designers are very much valuable. Now, the next section in the Web3 job is the marketing and growth role. This role is mainly for people that are good in marketing and strategic development. So the first on the list is a Web3 marketing strategist. These professionals plan token launches, airdrop campaigns, influencers partnerships, and growth funnel. Then the second on the list is an airdrop hunter/research analyst. Yes, this is real. Some people specialize in researching early crypto projects, interacting with testnet, and earning token rewards. So this is basically you doing what a normal user would do, to understand the platform and give feedbacks to the developers so that they can know what they need to work on or improve. The next on the list is the BD manager, which is also known as business development manager. This role focuses on partnerships between blockchain projects, exchanges, and investors. Exchanges like Binance and Coinbase constantly hires BD professionals. Okay, as I mentioned earlier in the very beginning of this video, I said that I will also offer you the places where you can go and search for jobs and see if you can see anyone that suits you or something you can jump into. So you can visit websites like Crypto Job List, Web3.careers, and jobs on Discord servers. You can also find jobs on Twitter because founders regularly post hiring trends. You can see a post on Twitter where someone will say that he's hiring so people for so position, and this is the pay he's willing to pay or they are willing to offer. You need to follow founders building on Ethereum, Solana, and other ecosystems. Another place to search for job, to go for job hunt, is on Discord and Telegram communities. Many roles never publicly post jobs. They share this job inside communities. So if you are part of the community or you are you have the access into a community, you can see the jobs that are being posted there and see if it's something you can jump on and work on. So most of us may be asking, how can we get started? We are new into this space and we don't know much about Web3. So this is what you need to know as a beginner that wants to get into the Web3 space. First, you need to pick a role. Don't chase everything. Just pick something you are good at and you can work on to be better on. The second step is for you to learn the basics of blockchain. You need to understand how crypto works and everything concerning the Web3. You need to just do your research, your personal research, to understand everything so that you can know the basic of everything concerning Web3. Then the third step is building a small portfolio. Just bring up something and work on. If you're a graphic designer, just work on a few designs pertaining to crypto or Web3. If you're a writer, just write on topics that concern crypto. And if you are a social media manager, just pick on any platform you like and pick on any project you like and just do like a mock-up management on that account. Just a mock-up management on that account. Even though you are not given the permission to do it, just do it, a mock-up management. The first step is for you to engage publicly. Comment, post contributions on X, on Discord, on Telegram. Just be active. Then the fifth step, which is the last step, apply aggressively. If you see jobs and offers, you need to apply. Even though there are other people that have applied before you, don't just be discouraged by the amount of people that have already applied, but just apply. Who knows if you will be the lucky one that they're going to pick for that particular job or offer. Web3 reward visibilities and value, not certificate. So they don't even need a certificate. You just need to be there and active. Thank you guys if you have stayed up to the end of this video. But before we end this video, I need to say something. Web3 isn't just about trading cryptocurrencies. It is about building the next version of the internet, and people who position themselves early will win. If this video helped you, like, subscribe for more breakdown on digital opportunities, remote incomes, and emerging tech careers. And comment below which Web3 jobs would you like to try. See you in our next video. Servatorium out.